Okay, so I've got the drive shaft on, and you can draw this all the way back to where the circlip comes. Obviously there's the circlip groove. You just need a reasonably small pair of external circlip pliers. When you got the shaft off, it's always a great idea to give that, because this one had a fair bit of old paint and crapola in here, so always pays to give it a clean up. So now it slides on nice and easy. So to take the shaft off, circle it back to here. Same on the other end. Sorry about the, I'm in a pretty close confines here, but that one slides back as well. And then the shaft just drops out. So you can see just a simple matter of me popping that circlip onto that groove and the same the other end. Job done. If some of this, I'm going through it quite quickly, but I figure that no real amateur is going to have a crack at anything like this. So, but it's really a mechanic's walkthrough. If you haven't encountered a KUBOTA mower before, this is just something to help you out, because I've had plenty of help on YouTube. So that's the end of this one. So hopefully I get some good reviews. Good luck, fellas.